Welcome to my channel, and today I will go to Carbon Market to buy a little bit of dry fish. So this is a section of dry fish, and I'm only interested in this squid or calamari because they are very tasty and very nice to eat with beer if you do not fry them. So I don't like this fish because it's quite bitter because of its stomach content. It's very big and large. But this fish is very nice as well, very tiny, clamputi or something like that. And this fish costs 1,000 peso per kilo. What's 1,000 peso? 1,000 peso is about $20 per kilo for this fish. But because it's very small and very dry, it is a lot of fish. So I will definitely buy this fish, and I will definitely buy this calamari because it's, you see, it's clean, so it's skinless, almost skinless, not completely. You see, other calamari, small ones in needle calamari or something like that, it's not cleaned and it's very bitter because of its content, and I prefer to buy clean calamari. And also they've got a little bit of marinated intestines or other fish ingredient, but I don't really like to buy it here. We've bought fish and we can go home now. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for new interesting videos. Thank you.